Hey, it's Aaron here, and if you're watching this right now, maybe you're checking out the Lolli app, and maybe you're wondering, can you really earn free rewards from 25,000 stores? Is this legit? Or is this a big waste of time, right? You want to watch this if you're checking out the Lolli app, right? Anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Let's check out the Lolli app to find out whether this is good or if this is ugly, okay? Maybe there are better ways to make money online out there. Now, the Lolli app is basically a crypto cashback app. Very interesting, okay? So you can basically earn free Bitcoin, right, from actually just doing your regular shopping anyways. Really, really cool, right? The only problem with the Lolli app is that it's only based in the US for now. They are opening in other markets, and you can get on the wait list right here. You just click on that. But for now, it's only available in the US, unfortunately, okay? But the way that this works is, it works like any other cashback app. You can come right here, and you can basically download the Chrome extension. So let me just show you exactly how this works right now. If I come to the Chrome extension portal and I just add to Chrome, this will add to my Chrome right there. And anytime I go shopping at any of their big partners, they've got 25,000 stores that they work with. Let me just show you some of them right here, right? You can basically save money on a lot of the products that you're purchasing. So whether you shop at Nike or StubHub or Chewy or Groupon or Priceline or eBay or Lowe's, right, for example, you're going to have a little pop-up that says that the Lolli app works with them, and you can save anywhere from 1% to 5 or 6% cashback. It's not bad, okay? It averages, it says 7%, but it averages about 4, 5, 6% roughly, okay? So it's not a lot of savings, but the way that cashback extensions generally work is, number one, the extension allows you to just kind of do shopping online anyway, because you're going to shop anyway, right? You're going to buy stuff, and it kind of alerts you when you land on Groupon or you land on StubHub or you land on eBay, so you don't have to keep track of what memberships Lolli is a part of, okay? And then they will show you how much cashback you can save, and it's just over a period of time. You'll save a little bit of money here and a little bit of money there, which I think is really, really cool, okay? And then you can withdraw directly from Lolli at the end of the month, and they'll pay you directly into your account. All right, and that's basically how you can save some money with Lolli. So Lolli is not really a way for you to make money, it's more for you to save a little bit of money. But the cool thing is that if you decide to get your cash back via crypto, especially with Bitcoin, if you hold on to that Bitcoin, then there is a way for you to make a little bit of money, because Bitcoin kind of works like shares and stocks, right? It goes up or it goes down over a period of time. Now, if you're, in a bull market where crypto is going up, now they're not going to give you that much Bitcoin, okay? I mean, it's like a couple of bucks here and there, right? But over a period of time, that will add up to a little bit more. And if Bitcoin is having a bull rally, you might be able to make some money. Not a lot, but you can definitely make some, all right? So since you're going to be shopping anyway, I think Lolli is a pretty cool way to just get a little bit of cash back over a period of time for the shopping that you're doing. You might be able to save, a couple of $100 a month, depending on how much shopping you're actually doing, right? So again, it says here up to 30% cash back. This is for Cyber Monday. For the most part, is going to be 4, 5, 6% savings, depending on where you are actually shopping. All right, so let's come back here so I can just show you how this works, right? And it's very simple. Like I mentioned, it kind of pops up. And you can see it says, activate 7% cashback, activate 6% cashback. So the nice thing is that it actually pops up on your screen as you're doing the shopping, which is really cool, okay? Now, here's the only thing. Let's check out what some people have said about Lolli, right? 4.1 star out of 5 stars is not bad. It's pretty good, all right? So most people have said it works for them. The only major complaint that when people do complain about it is that it basically doesn't work. Okay, so which is unfortunate. So the people that have been giving it 1 star, and there are a couple, it's not a lot, right? I think with any app, sometimes they don't work all the time. So there are some glitches, and the major problem that people complain about with Lolli is that when they actually do the shopping, they're not getting the cryptocurrency that they promised based on on their shop experience, right? So Adrian, for example, right here, whenever she tries to redeem, she's not actually getting her Bitcoin, right? There's another person here, I think it was Greg, right? Great idea, but awful execution. Lolli has not rewarded me the Bitcoin for the purchase I made through the extension or app, okay, for vacation related purchases. They claim it'll take 90 days after the completion of your trip, which is actually a really long time, to be honest. But but they don't actually give them the Bitcoin, which is unfortunate, right? Because if you're going to be buying through the app, making, getting their recommendations, you should be getting that, that referral, right? This one, Cameron, I despise this extension. They're fraudsters, scammers. I've been left out to dry many times when I used the extension. I was not awarded the Bitcoin I was owed. I wouldn't have used the vendor in the first place if I had not thought I was going to get the Bitcoin rewards from Lolli. Okay, so that's unfortunate, right? So this is not the case for everyone. I mean, they have 4.1 stars out of 5, so generally it does work, but also just be aware that sometimes, for some reason, there's maybe a glitch in their app. Not everybody is getting rewarded the Bitcoin for the purchases they make through the app, unfortunately, which kind of sucks, okay? So it should work for the most part, but just be aware that sometimes you don't really get your cash back, which is a little bit of a problem. But if you want to check Lolli out, lolli.com, you can download their extension from their portal right here. You can add to Chrome. It's really, really easy. Okay, again, it's only based in the US for now, but it's very likely that Lolli will slowly grow over time. All right, now if you're here watching this video right now, then maybe you are looking for a way to generate more income. The cool thing about Lolli is that you can save money if you're in the US. You can also make a little bit if crypto, if Bitcoin is on a bull run, if it's on a, if it's on a bear run, then you're not going to make really much money from there. But maybe you're looking to earn more, not just save money, all right? The thing about Lolli is it's mainly focused on saving because it's a cash back app, right? But to generate additional cash flow, that's not really what it's designed to do. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds of different strategies to make money, save money, build more income, right? I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And out of all of them, there was one strategy I used to quit my full-time job. I've generated over $20,000 a month using this particular strategy, and I teach it in my step-by-step masterclass if you want to check it out. The masterclass is available right at the bottom, and you can just click on that if you would like to check that out for free, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review here of Lolli, and I wish you all the best. I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.